Programmatic advertising can deliver big benefits to marketers, but the downside can be significant ad fraud and brand safety issues. The advertising ecosystem has several efforts in place to minimize fraud. But what can marketers do to further reduce fraud? Ensure that their ads are delivered to real audiences from quality publishers and achieve greater assurance and ROI. Digital ad fraud is an ongoing industry problem that negatively affects marketers' ROI, pushing ad dollars away from quality media to phony sites populated by bots, or to legitimate sites with undetected, invalid traffic. The result is lost investment and lower ROI. The advent of the first digital banner ad in 1994 changed the advertising world. As digital advertising grew, industry groups soon arrived to create standards, provide research, support the industry, and yes, combat fraud. The Interactive Advertising Bureau supports the industry by conducting research and advocating standards. Its IAB Tech Lab was started to set technical standards for the ad supply chain. The Media Rating Council accredits ad tech vendors to ensure that the measurement they provide meets industry standards. And the Trustworthy Accountability Group serves as an overall defense umbrella with compliance programs that span the ecosystem. Yet, illegitimate bot traffic and fake sites continue, even with fraud detection vendors in place for major brands and publishers. The products and processes are an important part of the advertising ecosystem, and they do reduce fraud. But here's an example of how simple it is for ad fraud to happen. In spring of 2020, a CNBC journalist set out to show how easily a fake site could be monetized programmatically. In just a few hours and without much technical know-how, she set up a site called the Tribune Times Today and populated it with scraped news stories from CNBC. Within a few days, 3 major ad tech partners approved the fake site for advertising. These fake sites, found all over the web, siphon advertising dollars away from legitimate sites, delivering nothing for advertisers. Clearly, more is needed in the fight against fraud. Publisher audits are the latest step in the fight against ad fraud. The Alliance for Audited Media developed the first digital publisher audit program to minimize digital ad fraud at the request of the Association of National Advertisers. Launched in late 2020, the audit addresses fraud by differentiating good publishers, ensuring that they're doing everything they can to serve ads only to humans. Marketers can prioritize these publishers that demonstrate their commitment to transparency by being audited. The first steps to the audit are a business process review and an evaluation of the quality and quantity of site traffic. Once norms are established, traffic is continuously monitored so that any blips can be investigated. Marketers can find audited publishers through the AAM Audited Domain List. Working with audited publishers ensures they're investing their marketing dollars with real customers on real websites. The audit is another layer of assurance, joining solutions from IAB, MRC, and TAG to create a complementary set of solutions that together provide marketplace friction to combat fraud. Marketers have an important role in strengthening the advertising ecosystem and reducing fraud. So, what steps can marketers take? First, decide which sites you want audited. Then, ensure your agency and publisher partners know and make it a condition of your contracts. And finally, activate by using the AAM audited list of publishers to build inclusion lists and purchase directly or through exchanges. By taking action and encouraging your partners to incorporate industry solutions, marketers win by prioritizing legitimate media and placing your ads on quality platforms that generate real results.